Alright, so this is just a quick video of a new ride. So this is a 2014 Audi S4. I do plan on doing like a more in-depth review of it later, but this is just some just a quick video with just some some mild acceleration. I'm definitely not taking it to the max, not taking it all the way to red line, but just some mild acceleration on the interstate. Just getting off and on, just so you guys can hear how it sounds and see what the acceleration's like. A quick little view of the outside. I had just rinsed it off before I went and got some lunch, so just let me know what you guys think, and like I said, look for a more in-depth review of the car coming up soon. One more with the windows up. A couple mile pulls. So take the sound. Try to get a little pull here with the windows down. So I haven't cleaned it up yet, or washed it, but it's not detailed yet. It looks nice, it looks clean. I mean, it could be cleaner. It'll be cleaner after a detail, for sure. But it was nice and dirty earlier.